atmosphere is amazing over here.
जी नमस्ते, मैं पहले भी आई हूँ आपके पास. So this is आपका परिवार. I named it AAAP का परिवार because this is Ariman, Aishman, Archana and Parmeet. तो आपका परिवार.
आपका परिवार. तो केजरीवाल भी तो बोलता है.
But he has 2 A's in his app and I have 3 A's. So it's a family channel.
Should they know other P? Will be पाप का परिवार.
नहीं पापा, अभी पापा का परिवार.
Made my husband come here because I benefited so much from Art of Living. Then my 2 children have benefited most because इन्होंने बचपन से ही सीख लिया कि how to find solace through spirituality and हमारे
It shows on their face.
Just fun question I wanted to ask. अगर आप spiritual leader नहीं होते तो what would you have been today?
आज भी मैं लीडर कहाँ हूँ?
अगर आप leader नहीं हो तो फिर I don't know.
They are leading the whole world.
Yes.
देखो a leader never assumes that he is a leader. He just shares.
According to you, in a nutshell, what is the art of living?
Art of living is making life a celebration. Putting a smile on everyone's face.
We celebrate life every day as a family.
That's it. Then you're doing real art of living.
Thank you.
For youngsters, क्योंकि हमारे माध्यम के थ्रू हम एक्चुअली बताना चाहते हैं कि जो यंगस्टर्स हैं उनके सामने अगर 2-3 चीज़ें हैं करने के लिए विच दे आर गुड एट, उसमें से चूज करना, हाउ डज वन चूज दैट?
They should go for all. They should know they can do everything. They can do this, they can do that, they can do that. Why not?
His mind and heart is stuck on acting. And today, what happened? He was supposed to come 2 days ago. We've been in the ashram 2-3 दिन से. He had to cancel because his first acting job he got the moment he booked his ticket to Bangalore. So he said, "Mama, I'll come later." But finally, at 3 o'clock last night in the morning, that acting job got over, and he has got a flight early in the morning. He said, "I have to meet Guruji because you've already got his blessings. You've got your first
Already
job."
happened before I came. I'm so grateful, and I just would like all the blessings that it continues to go well. That's all.
You about something that has been confusing me, which is AI. I don't know. What do you think about that?
Yeah, sure.
Artificial intelligence.
Not Air India.
Artificial
Yeah,
intelligence.
yeah. For me, it is absolute intelligence. तुमने हमारा intuition process देखा है?
We just saw it.
Oh, is it too late for us to learn it?
Can we learn it? Is it possible?
They are both above 18 as is very We were so fascinated. Vikrant, आपने देखा है? My God, हम couldn't believe it. So I said, no, wait, I will take your blindfold. First I checked her. I said, you use this only.
Art of living is wow.
Yes, it is.
Isn't it?
It is. It is the biggest wow in my life. Thank you, Deepti. Thank you.
Lovely.
And Gurudev, what do you do for fun, essay, entertainment?
Everything.
Entertainment, like, what do you? Is there anything you watch, anything you do that people may not know
Do you
about?
ever watch a film or something?
I do watch. I mean, every film we get real. So many films happen here.
Real life films happen in front of
Real
you.
See, anything I do with 100% focus, and I'm there 100% there.
And that will be the secret of your success if you just do everything with focus.
इसने भी अपना
You know-
YouTube channel, sorry.
क्या है तुम एक्टिंग जब भी करते हो ना, you must immerse in the role that you are playing. अब N.T. Ramarao, I know him personally, when he used to play Krishna role,
Very funny.
people would go crazy.
Yes.
Yeah.
You know, all the 4 South Indian states, if N.T. Ramarao played a Krishna role, they would not look for anybody else. किसी और को choice ही नहीं है, however they look. Because he was living like that. You see what I'm saying?
Yes, yes.
So that's very important for you. When you play the role,
Full focus. Yeah?
you actually immerse in that. Even if you play a villain's role, then you have to be like a villain. Not at home though. Not at home though.
Last time you gave him one prasad, one apple, he ate it, and after 5 minutes his problems went away. I never used to believe in miracles, but I am forced to believe in miracles.
Like Guruji, बचपन में I had met you once when I was 5 or 6 years old. आपने एक बिस्किट खाया था and you gave me the biscuit after.
आधा बिस्किट खाकर तो इसने क्या बोला, यहाँ बैठा था आपके, एक बॉम्बे की बात है, तो इसने आपने बिस्किट दिया अपना खाकर, उसने बोला नो आई एम नॉट हंग्री, तो पूरा क्राउड में से कहा यू आर रिफ्यूजिंग गुरुजी से बिस्किट, और आपने क्या बोला, आपने बोला no it's okay, see the innocence of the child, he's saying the truth, he's not hungry, so he does not know Guruji is giving out, but he's saying I don't want to eat. So till today we said you did not take the biscuit from Guruji's
Guruji, this is one question for the youth. लोग डिप्रेशन से बाहर कैसे आए when it's very hard for people to make effort in that time?
Have a good friend and talk to them. Or go to a group.
Everybody's asking for a lot of the youth.
Not from personal experience, just because I feel like so many people today are experiencing that.
That's what these Kalgyanis have helped thousands. In Mumbai, हमारे कितने Kalgyani.
Kalgani is the same intuitive.
Intuition. They can tell you the most secret that you have not shared with anybody.
Yeah.
So you know that they know you. Then they also tell your future. Then anxiety ऐसी चली जाती है.
Yes, we stay in the same compound.
Oh.
He's just maybe 100.
So guys, we are now at dinner at Panchamrut. Say hi Aishman. Hello. Kहाँ था तू इतने दिन? So yeah, we are having this very cool beetroot momo that has a pumpkin and tomato chutney and a lot of other cool things.
इसमें मैदा नहीं है.
हाँ.
Yes,
Guys, while everybody is eating, I will tell you that आप जो भी interested है Arteb Living में, you want to try it, you want to experience it, I would fully recommend that you do that. So आप हम सारे information description में लिखेंगे so that you have a chance to go through it, see the programs. I would recommend you at least try one happiness program, and if you really can, try an advanced course as well. Come to the ashram, it's a beautiful place, and meeting Guruji today was just so much fun. We had such a great time. Intuition at work today was also amazing.
Yeah.
Plus meeting Guruji, so it's been a great day. So